What's up? It's your girl Tiffany back with another video, and today I am gonna crimp my hair. So I just felt like it was like a kind of get ready to do my hair with me type of video. But before we get into this video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna give you a couple seconds because y'all watching them but y'all not liking them. I need y'all to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna build my channel, y'all. Okay, so basically today I am crimping my hair. So the utensils that I will use will be my comb, wig brush, I got so much hair in it, and my crimpers. These are Revlon. I see a lot of people with the bed head crimpers or whatever. I am going to purchase them because I like how the crimps come out, but I like how these crimps do too, or whatever they own, so they're a little hot. I have a lock and an unlock button, so you can like unlock them or whatever, and you can lock it. So I like that it have that. It goes up to 30, so I guess that's the hottest. I don't know if 30 is like 400 or 450, but basically I'm just gonna get right into it. Basically what I do is make sure that my hair is brushed out. Take like a section in the back, not too big, not too small. I really don't crimp my hair too much, to be honest with you. I'm not a crimper, but I like how they look. So this wig here has layers in it. I made this wig like a year ago, and I basically just colored it. It was black and I just colored it this color. So I unlock my Revlon crimpers and hold it on there. They are really hot. The video will be in like time lapse because basically all I wanted to do was come and show you my crimps, and I kind of want to listen to my music while I get ready today. So okay, y'all, so I finished this side off of film. I finished this off of film. I'm going to show y'all up close what it looks like. I didn't know how I felt about it, but I had went and looked in the mirror. It's cute though. I'll show y'all at the end in the bathroom. It might be a little better lighting, but I'm gonna go and finish this side. It took me 30 minutes to do one side. Okay, so again, Brush all my knots out. Literally brush all my knots out. Grab a piece. Comb through. I'm new at these get ready videos, y'all, so y'all gotta bear with me, but I will get them. And I am looking at new cameras. That's a cute one. Okay. I always do this side of my head better anyways. I don't know why, but you know, speak too fast. It's pretty. Period. Hey, yeah. What do you get with a body without the soul? Just a pussy prank, you idiot. Okay, y'all, so I just moved into the bathroom for better lighting. I really don't know how to feel about them. I mean, they're cute. It's more like the little crimps. Like, they're not uniformed, but it's cute. It'll do for my pictures today. So let me put y'all down so I can show y'all the bag. Okay, y'all, I had to make me a little ghetto stand, but okay, so. Okay, getting into it right quick. I don't even know what the back look like, but I know it's cute. So if y'all like more videos like this of me just basically doing my hair or whatever, I wouldn't do makeup videos because I ain't that good with makeup yet. But if y'all like the way I did my hair and if y'all want me to install wigs or so on and so forth, make sure y'all like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for your support. I'm out. Peace.